How can this NFT make you money? It's easy. NFTs can give you access to some really cool art. If you buy an NFT and you gain access to the IP rights, that means you can monetize your investment. What does that mean? First, the word IP. Intellectual property rights are the rights given to persons over the creations of their minds. They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time. Here are two examples of how you can use your NFT's IP rights. Merchandise. If you know how to graphic design and you can figure out how to start an e-commerce site, you could possibly make your own line of clothing using the NFTs you own the IP rights to. You can check out a prime example on my website, BrandonManIsOfficial.myshopify.com. Link in the description. Here is a more popular way someone used their IP rights. Seth Green was in the process of using his Bored Ape to make an animated series. Unfortunately, this never launched because the ape got stolen. Let me know if you want to hear that story in the comments. And most recently, the Bored Ape Yacht Club owners Snoop Dogg and Eminem released a song together using their avatars as characters in the music video. What does this have to do with the Holy Ones? You can decide if you want to keep your IP rights and have some creative fun with some dope conversation starting art, or give the Holy Ones back the IP rights, and they will use your avatar in their products and games in the future. When you do this, you will get 20% of royalties that this project brings in. The Holy Ones is one of the leading metaverse NFT communities that has a casino, lottery, rock, paper, scissors, and community game nights. These are just two ways owning an NFT can possibly bring you side income.